What if I told you there are metals so reactive, they can explode on contact with water? Meet the alkali metals, sodium, lithium, and potassium, the most dangerous and fascinating elements on Earth. But why are they so reactive? And what makes them different from other metals? Let's find out. Discovered in the early 19th century, these metals have intrigued scientists for generations. Today, we use advanced technology to study their unique properties and potential applications. From powering batteries to medical uses, alkali metals are more than just explosive. They're essential to modern life. Alkali metals are a group of elements found in the first column of the periodic table, including lithium, sodium, and potassium. These metals have one electron in their outer shell, making them highly unstable and incredibly reactive. Unlike other metals, they are soft enough to cut with a knife, but they pack a massive punch when exposed to air or water. To prevent reactions, they are often stored in oil. Other alkali metals include rubidium, cesium, and francium. These elements are known for their vigorous reactions and are essential in various applications. For example, lithium is widely used in batteries, while sodium and potassium have important roles in biological systems. The secret behind their explosive reactions lies in their atomic structure. Alkali metals have only one electron in their outer shell, and they really want to get rid of it. This makes them highly reactive. When exposed to water, they immediately release hydrogen gas and heat, often leading to fire or even explosions. The farther down the periodic table you go, the more violent the reaction gets. This is due to the increasing atomic size and decreasing ionization energy. Quick reaction breakdown. Lithium bubbles and sizzles in water. Sodium burns with a bright yellow flame. Potassium explodes violently and burns with a purple flame. Rubidium reacts even more explosively and burns with a red flame. Cesium causes a massive explosion and burns with a blue flame. Francium, the most reactive of all, reacts so violently that it's rarely seen in action. In summary, the reactivity of alkali metals increases as you move down the group due to their atomic structure and electron configuration. Despite their extreme reactivity, alkali metals are actually used in some of the most important technologies today. Lithium is a key ingredient in rechargeable batteries, powering everything from smartphones to electric cars. Sodium compounds are used in medicine, table salt, and even in water treatment. Potassium plays a vital role in our bodies, helping nerves and muscles function properly. So while they might be dangerous, they are also incredibly useful. Sodium is also crucial in glass manufacturing and sodium vapor lamps, which light up our streets. Potassium is essential in fertilizers, boosting crop yields and supporting global agriculture. Scientists have conducted crazy experiments with alkali metals. One of the most famous involved dropping a chunk of sodium into a lake, which resulted in a massive explosion. Even more dangerously, adding cesium or francium, the heavier alkali metals, to water would create a blast so powerful it could shatter glass. These metals might seem like something out of a mad scientist's lab, but their reactions are pure chemistry in action. Rubidium, another heavy alkali metal, also reacts explosively with water, creating a spectacular show of chemistry. Lithium, the lightest alkali metal, also reacts with water, though less violently, producing hydrogen gas and heat. Potassium, another alkali metal, reacts with water to create a purple flame and a loud bang. In one experiment, scientists dropped sodium onto ice, causing an explosive reaction as the metal melted through the ice. Cesium, the most reactive of the alkali metals, can cause a massive explosion when it comes into contact with water, making it one of the most dangerous elements to handle. So now you know why alkali metals are some of the most dangerous and fascinating elements in the world. Which one do you think is the coolest, lithium, sodium, or potassium? Comment below. And if you want to see more crazy science facts, make sure to like and subscribe.